Hey everyone, welcome back to Viral Vibes. Today we're diving into the 10 essential things every car should have and why they matter. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend adventurer, or just someone who loves their car, these must-haves will make your ride safer, smoother, and more enjoyable. Let's get right into it! Number 1 on the list is a first aid kit. Accidents and small injuries can happen anytime, whether it's a cut, a scrape, or something more serious. Having a first aid kit in your car means you're prepared to handle minor emergencies until you can get proper medical help. It's a small investment for a big peace of mind, and it could make all the difference if something unexpected happens on the road. Second, a flashlight. It might seem obvious, but so many drivers forget about it. A flashlight can be a lifesaver if you're stuck at night with a flat tire or need to check under the hood in the dark. It's also useful if you drop something between the seats or need to find something in the trunk. I recommend keeping extra batteries or choosing a rechargeable model so it's always ready to use. Third on the list, jumper cables. A dead battery is one of the most common reasons drivers get stranded. With a set of jumper cables, you can quickly get help from another driver and get back on the road. Even better, learning how to use them properly now means you'll be confident and ready when you actually need them. Plus, helping out a fellow driver in need is always a good deed. Number 4 is a portable tire inflator. Imagine this. You're in the middle of nowhere, and your tire pressure warning light comes on. Instead of panicking or waiting for roadside assistance, a portable inflator lets you top off your tires in minutes. It's a simple way to keep your tires at the correct pressure, which not only extends their life, but also improves your fuel efficiency. It's one of those items you'll be glad you have, trust me. Fifth, a multi-tool or a basic toolkit. Cars have a way of surprising us with loose screws, jammed seatbelts, or little repairs that pop up unexpectedly. A multi-tool can handle a lot of small fixes, and a simple toolkit with screwdrivers, pliers, and a wrench can be a real lifesaver. It's like having a mechanic in your glove box, ready for anything. Number 6 is water and snacks. Staying hydrated is important, especially on long drives or if you're stuck in traffic for hours. Keep a few bottles of water and some non-perishable snacks like granola bars, nuts, or dried fruit in your car. These can help you stay alert and focused, and they're also great for emergencies if you're ever stranded for a while. 7th on the list is cleaning wipes or paper towels. Cars can get messy fast. Spilled drinks, sticky fingers, dust on the dashboard, you name it. Having wipes or towels on hand makes it easy to keep things clean and fresh. Plus, it just feels better to drive in a clean car. Number 8 is an emergency warning triangle or flares. If you ever have to pull over on the side of the road, especially at night or in bad weather, it's crucial to stay visible to other drivers. A warning triangle or flares can alert oncoming traffic and prevent accidents. It's a simple safety measure that could save lives. 9th, a phone charger or power bank. Our phones are our lifelines these days, for navigation, music, or calling for help. The last thing you want is a dead battery when you need it most. Keep a charger in your car, and consider a power bank that works even when the car is turned off. That way you'll always be connected. And finally, number 10, important documents. This means your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, and any roadside assistance info. Keep them all organized in a folder in the glove compartment or center console. You never know when you might get pulled over or need to file a claim. Being organized can save you stress and time later on. So there you have it. The 10 essential things every car should have. From safety to convenience, these items make a big difference in how you experience driving. Which of these do you already have in your car? And which ones will you be adding after watching this video? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos from Viral Vibes. Stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next video. So there you have it, the 10 essential things every car should have. Thanks for tuning in today. From ensuring your safety to enhancing your convenience, these items play a significant role in improving your driving experience. Remember, being prepared can make all the difference when you're on the road. From safety to convenience, these items make a big difference in how you experience driving. Make sure your car is equipped with these must-haves, and you'll be ready for whatever the road throws your way. Always remember that preparation leads to peace of mind while you're out there. So, to wrap things up, remember that these essentials not only boost your safety, but also enhance your overall driving experience. Always take a moment to check your car and ensure that you have everything you need before hitting the road. From small emergencies to everyday convenience, being prepared is key. Thanks for joining us at Viral Vibes today, and let's make those journeys smoother and safer. Stay tuned for our next fun and informative video, and remember to drive safe. In conclusion, ensuring your car is equipped with these 10 essentials can transform your driving experience, making it safer and more enjoyable. Stay prepared, stay safe, and keep enjoying the freedom that comes with the open road. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.